What's going on, everybody? Chris here again with another video, and I have a new camera and a new microphone, so hopefully everything's working. It's kind of windy right now, so this is going to be the ultimate test of this new camera. I'm going to get some night shots of the car, and then we're going to test this mic out, so hopefully everything's working. Just a quick little simple video for you guys, because I know you've been missing out on the Ralliart. Well, here she is, and so let's go ahead and test out the new camera and show you guys what the car actually looks like at night, because I've never actually shown you guys a walk around of it at night. So what better way to do it than doing it in an empty COVID-19 parking lot in an AMC movie theater, which PS, I do miss our movies. I am a big movie junk. Anyways, with that being said, let's go ahead and turn these lights on. Alright, just a quick walk around for you guys. So the front headlights are all stock. That's what you guys are gonna get. Come over to the side. I actually installed a black LED housing side markers. So here they are right here. They're sequential. They work their way from the front and move on towards the back, which is nice because it aligns with the side mirrors. Alright, and then here at the back of the car I have the Audi VLAN style tail lights with sequentials as well. So they line up very well with what I have going on the sides. So perfect matchup duo. So once again, I have the side markers and the Audi VLAN style tail lights. Work very well and go hand in hand. Here's the rear view of the car. Make our way to the side. Same thing on the other side as well. And then blink in unison with your side mirror. So a very nice combo. And then once again, back to the front. And everything up in front is stock. So that is your stock bi-neon headlights that came with my car. They look blue, but when you're driving and the reflections of everything, they look purple on signs and everything like that on the roadway. Very bright and visible headlights. Love them. And once again, that was stock with the car. So let's go ahead and get some cinematic shots, and we'll call it a video. Just look how empty this parking lot is. It's a huge parking lot, and it's only about 11:30 at night. Kind of crazy to think about on a Friday night out of all nights too. And here is the inside of the car. Very basic and stock still, so I have no special gauges in here yet, but coming down the road I will be having some stuff getting thrown in here. Possibly a new stereo system up here, and some stuff you'll see up here on the pillar once I get the new turbo installed eventually. But yeah, here's the look inside. Still don't even have the basic little yellow lights in here. Don't even have those LED, which I could probably go ahead and do that for the dome lights here and the dome lights towards the front. But for now, everything is stock here on the inside. And because a lot of you like to ask this question, there is my mileage. I'm at 46,000 miles now, and that is again on a 2015, so I'd say that's pretty decent, right? But that's about to do it for this video. Once again, we'll say bye to the Ralliart for now. Hopefully everything starts opening up back soon. Hopefully you guys are staying safe and healthy, to your friends and family, and hopefully we all get through this together. Hopefully it's not too much longer. We find a cure for this COVID-19 situation, and everybody will be handy dandy once again, out and about, car meets and everything like that. But with that being said, just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on idle, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, one more thing. Thanks for being patient. I know there's a lot of stuff going on with other cars on my channel. Ralliart stuff is coming up. It's just the stuff that I want to do right now. It's a little pricey, so I gotta save some money. But with that being said, thanks for understanding, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Side note, I think the last movie we actually went to see here at the movie theater was Onward. Definitely recommend if you guys haven't seen that movie. It's a Pixar animation, but definitely hits you in the feels towards the end, especially if you have a sibling. So as I'm driving away, I just realized I had some fans watching me. Here are my fans right here. Fans of 3. Some nice little cranes. I don't know what type of cranes they are, but hey, thanks for the support. Make sure you guys subscribe.